Don't do that.
No?
Don't do that.
Okay, maybe just like this, maybe? Is that good?
Sure.
Yeah. Feeling it. I'm feeling love. Oh, when you have one bite of these, you're gonna understand why this lean story turned right around. Welcome to a very special episode of How to Cook the Leanness, filled with so much love. We are making keto, low carb, chocolate strawberries. So we're gonna get into it right away. All you have to do is get a little coconut oil, all right? And you want it melted. So this is just under a quarter cup of melted coconut oil. Next up, we're gonna grab cacao powder, okay? You're gonna get just under a tablespoon of cacao powder. This is the chocolatey, right in the bowl there. All right, now we've got our cacao powder in there with the coconut oil. They're mixing, they're mingling, they're at the bar, they're filling each other out. And then we're adding the stevia. So it's just under a tablespoon again. And now we just mix. Just mix it up. Now, our strawberries are in the freezer. They're getting nice and crispy and cold because when they come into contact with this chocolatey leanness, it is going to freeze. We're just gonna do a dash of vanilla flavoring. I love vanilla. Don't tell anyone about this. Just a little bit. Just a little sprinkle. Woo! There we go. And then this is the LEANSQUAD special recipe. A little extra topping, a little flavoring. So we're getting 4 tablespoons of cream cheese in there. You're gonna pop it in. All right. Now we're just gonna do a tablespoon roughly of stevia. Heavy cream. So 1. Whoa, look at that. 2. This is getting me excited. This is naughty. Now just mix it up. You got the heavy cream, you got the stevia, you got the cream cheese, and this is gonna be the drizzly topping on our strawberries. Woo! My hand-picked strawberries, look how perfect they are ready to be dipped in the chocolate. So you literally just dipping them. There we go. Now, last little bit, and then we're taking our white sauce. All right, we're just gonna dip these in the bottoms. We're gonna take our strawberries. We're gonna get a little whiteness on them now. Woo! Look at that. You. They're dipped. Now they go in the fridge. Say hello to these low-carb keto strawberries dipped in chocolate. Wow, look at these strawberries. How good do they look? So that is really how easy it is to make lean love. Look at these strawberries, and they are gonna taste so amazing. So all you gotta do, pull them out of the fridge 10 minutes later, set the mood, and you are gonna be making all types of lean love, I promise. Please comment below and share yours. Share it, we all wanna hear about it, so share it, subscribe, and also check out the 90-day lean plan if you're looking for healthy, tasty recipes tailored to you this year. Have the best Valentine's lean love date ever. Went out for dinner with my friends before our dinner date. You should probably never book a dinner lean love date at anywhere called Filthy McNasty's. I didn't order any food. That's mistake number 3. She's sitting across and I'm watching her eat. Mistake number 4.